Never waste bananas and apples again. Make this delicious recipe. I'll start our recipe by cutting an apple. Let's remove the part of the medium that contains the seeds. I will chop the apple first in long slices, and then in small cubes. This way I'm doing it. Next, we will peel the bananas. I'll cut it into slices. This recipe is delicious. I'm sure you will be surprised. Now let's transfer the bananas and the apple to a blender and add half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and also 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's cover the blender and beat to mix well all the ingredients. I am sure that after you learn how to make this recipe you will want to do it every day, because it is really delicious. I'll put our mixture in a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour. Let's stir well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Hanzada Hamza from Lebanon. I'm glad you are enjoying our recipes. Let's add a tablespoon of baking powder. And again mix everything. Guys, you will not believe how delicious this recipe is after ready. Make it at your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. We'll transfer our dough into a circular mold. It looks like our recipe gets a beautiful consistency, and the taste is equally amazing. Using a spatula, we will leave everything uniform. I'm gonna take our recipe to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we will take our recipe from the oven and very carefully remove it from the form. I have no doubt that all your family and even your friends will ask you to teach this recipe so good that it stays. It is very easy to do, will certainly enter into your routine. This recipe uses only a few everyday ingredients, and the result is really surprising. And our recipe has already buckled ready. Look how delicious it was. A perfect recipe to enjoy in your afternoon coffee. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.